In the shadow of an old workshop, life stirs where few would look. Nestled deep within the beams and mud, a family of small birds has set up camp. Meet Phenecerus ocrurus, Black Redstart. It's a small passerine bird known for its distinctive orange-red tail. She calls softly. It is a coded chirp. Inside, a reply, a signal that it's safe to approach. She hops to the beam, pauses like a feathered secret agent, then slips inside the shadows. But feeding is only half the job. Watch closely as one chick turns, raises its tiny tail, and in a move equal parts horrifying and heroic, the mother bird catches the poop right as it comes out. No hesitation. Father bird appears soon after, repeating the process, both tirelessly commuting between wilderness and workshop, chasing insects and dodging humans just to feed their screeching offspring. This routine plays out hundreds of times a day. She hunts, she calls, she delivers. In this forgotten corner of the human world, nature isn't just surviving, it is thriving in its own messy but beautiful way.